Business yang isip eh.
Ano? Ito na guys yung completion ng ating
Siguro nakikita niya ano, dito ko sa
ating trabaho. Ikaw talaga sasabihin nun kasi ano eh, ikaw yung talaga nasa finishing eh.
dito sa likod ano, nandito sa ata ko.
Oo eh.
Takbo agad sabi.
Hindi makakalapit to, kailangan sabihan ko to. Ito na guys. Okay, ito yung ano natin nilagyan namin ng edger, may crack yung ano. Normal lang yan sa curve na merong crack. Pag kinuha natin yan, dalahan natin ng concrete saw. Ito, pag kinuha natin yung mga box na yan, dalahan natin ng concrete saw at ating ano yan. Ating lagyan ng mga ano, cutting. Yung mga ano na to. Curve. So ito na guys yung completion na ito. Ito na yung pagtatapos ng ating trabaho. Wala na sana kaming gagawin. Binaklas-baklas ko pa kasi itong ano dito. Nasira ko tuloy yung aking ano. Nagpuri. Okay na eh. Okay na kay idol yung ano na eh. Kaso lang kasi hindi ko mapaganda ng maayos yung gilid nito kasi nga yung bakahoy. Yan tuloy. Ayusin ko pa yan oh. Yung isa ko yan na trowel akin yun. Yung plain lang yung hawakan. Yung walang tuldok. Basta yung maganda atin yun. O kasi bihira gamitin yan o. Eh sino kaya maghatid ng gamit bukas?
Baka magbago din ang paano.
Hindi, siguro ang maganda niyan, tayo na lang ang magbuhos doon.
Pwede.
Tapos sila paring Adi na lang at saka si...
Tapos sila parang, ilan ba yun?
Oo, kasi para may ano...
Ilan ba yung titry natin?
190 squares na magkaiwalay.
Okay ba lang?
Oo. Kahit isa lang siguro. 190 squares pa lang naman yon. Kasi yung halo niyan ano man eh.
Oh, pwede. Pwede naman.
Kaya yun. Isang machine.
Di naman yun pasal buhos eh.
Kahit mainit pa yan. Ayan. Basta may tubig lang doon. Basta may tubig lang doon. Yan. Ito na yung kakumplituhan ng ating project guys. Wala na, tapos na.
Tatlo na sa van.
Oo. Wala na. Okay na yan dyan. So tingnan natin dito sa kabila. Ganda ng bahay niya no. So good. Kasi ang ating trabaho ay andito. Bawal kasi pakita guys yung mga ano post ko muna, ipopost ko muna kasi hindi pwede pakita yung loob ng ano, mga ano na nakapagalitan tayo. Our project here in your area.
My edging I put in today.
Wow! Grabe.
That's I showed Scott the gate.
Yeah.
My son-in-law, I think he works for Fulton Hogan,
Yes.
and they were chucking that out for job. They pulled it out. They pulled all the fence stands
Oh.
out of the way. But Scotty said, "You guys pulled down a whole lot," and he got it for the same. And he said, "Do you want a gate?" And I said, "Yeah," but this was on the wrong side.
Yeah.
It was on the other side, so I cut it off and put it on a welder. I've just sprayed it with some zinc paint, and I just cleaned it up. And I just put this in, but it didn't have enough timber. Exactly for this side.
Oh, well, it looks good still. You know,
But it's
it's just for the chickens.
cheap gate. But look at this. So I said to Jim, we put a whole lot of razor wire around the top. Everyone comes out, "Fuck, have you got marijuana growing in here?" Because it looks like it. Like it's
Yeah. Looks good.
It
Looks
had
good.
a,
Really flash.
electrical transformer at Littleton
Yeah.
for running all their refrigerated
Yeah.
containers. Yeah. I just pulled the whole yard out and threw it away. Crazy. Eh?
Yeah.
So you're pretty much finished.
Yes, we're pretty much.
Do you want a drink?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Do you want to get for the boys? Do you want a beer?
No, thank you. Thank you so much.